Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a reproducible environment. Make a concise Docker file and a Docker compose. IML. Build the image once, then run the container with your source mounted as a volume so edits are immediate. Use a lightweight base and include only dev dependencies when needed. This speeds iterations. Once done, confirm container ports and processes with Docker PS and Docker logs. Make sure file ownership and line endings match the container to avoid permission surprises during development. You will iterate by entering the running container to run commands as if on a dev VM. Docker execute name /bin/sh or bash, then run tests, linters, or start dev servers. Configure hot reload and forward remote debugger ports so breakpoints work from your IDE. Once done, optimize rebuilds by caching dependencies in named volumes and using multi-stage builds. Make sure environment variables and secret files are injected securely rather than baked into images to preserve. Finish by making your dev flow shareable. Add a Docker compose. Dev, IML or a dev target and document exact commands to build, run, and debug. Push a minimal dev image to your registry if needed for CI parity. If something breaks, start with Docker logs and Docker inspect for configuration and network issues, then verify mounts and permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: if file changes don't appear, confirm the volume path and a notify limits in the container, restart the service, and reattach your debugger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.